Hello everyone, in this video I'll be demonstrating one of the manufacturing enhancement introduced in NetSuite 2026.1 release, which is simultaneous start of multiple operations. As you can see in this example, I am showing a manufacturing routing which has 3 operation sequences and 3 of them in which 2 of them are connected with start to start connection time, which means these 2 operations should start simultaneously. Before this 2026 point release, earlier there was an auto calculated lag added between these 2 manufacturing operations. Now after this release, when there is 2 operations that has to happen simultaneously, there is no lag added between these operations. This can be verified using a work order. I have created a work order here, and if you see, if we go to the operations, we see that the 2 operations that are here, the first one which is fabrication and the second one which is assembly, happen simultaneously and it starts at the same time, which you can see here 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. Now with this issue, all the operations that share same workers start at the same time. So this feature is very useful for organizations who are looking into improving their operation activities, who are looking into bringing a more realistic operation schedule, and who are looking into bringing efficiency in their shop floor activities.